Kinong ilam seng balang kiba kerjaan ting ya ke jingdawa ban pentri kam ya ke inline permit ILP ha ke jala kilapan pau ke jingbom hun ha ke baidai bat ke jing ya kendu bat menteri kampoi yang ke sarkar India wa Amit Shah. Ha ke ju upor kil ong bawa Amit Shah kran tang si kentian ru halok ILP bat husngap ya ke jimpen pau nak liang kinong ilam seng balang bat sim la ai kanu ke jing tho ni kanu ke jing kular.
Gani kam de su kesin ke manang kong ba na kaliang tu kisang balang mila anu pakai IT ke tri kampo ke jala. Aswa bang keren ya ke bang ya kindu da singen pentermau khandai trik jo ora khat khandai. Do phongot kinong thau an sukar jala la pas ga solution official solution. Kata de ndi ba pas ti pas pusjat madan madia ande de kinong thau an ba ba jom jala pat ku kita kemah. Haporowan sepo jingelang NEC khmi lenti ban yo debit company halo kene kam. Andrei pira step hi kai wajia to jingelang ko NEC. Mata kasiru ngan batai syai kalong ba. Na kaliang menteri kampoyeng sokaran dia la susap ya ke bangi batai ka jing kwa jongi kum kisang balang bat jong ka jala berkoi halo ka LP Andrei. Kamdon kanu ka jing kular bat kamdon kanu ka komitmen bai dai ka LP isu. Bat ngakren da basai ba kane ka dai ka big insol ya literally tremluk jong ka jai Andrei berkoi bat jong ka jala berkoi. Namar lada cisnam tam lepas ya ka resolution Mshamala ban ay tang sikentian pan tang ka ay ganung rem ne ka stand jong Indian government halor ka ILP su tang kata mla ban kiba sap te ko pen kenir kum le kum long iba wat yakin ru phungat shamla khen snap na kaliang jungi kum sang balang ni sa shom ban pakhat ni sing e benya ni sothu kadang kene pandemic mta hanrai virus bal kejap ya ka jat benri ba jala bro koi ni hak ban wat lagu jong doi nang ne sekwan.
First meeting kadai for Delhi, second meeting Shillong, and this is the third meeting. Sekadi the third meeting in I expect ba he will assure us something. Nakaliang jong Home Minister. Te kabakam sangsi jisu kalong ba la assure ingi ba kata ka meeting ke begini kuno at least minimum ekor kumba 20 to 25 minutes. Andai mana lagi pakran tangway, but dadang imut ban keren tiang tem bala kaju isu minimum isu benya keren benya debate. So that's fine. And we expect something from the Home Minister at least. And I had a meeting, we are not satisfied and we are not happy. But we need to pay a rai about kin pentip lingba kata kaji karan part baru CM jungi ya kasti jungi. And to be frankly, I mean we are not happy at all. We are not satisfied with this meeting. Kalian ini isang malang ni ba kali tang jungon kai jungu sosora kamdadon kono kabenta. Kaba udawan ban simkhia sya ya ka isu kaba kum kisang balang kum ke sarkar kum ke jai ni kwa ya kata jing penterikan me ka LP marsnia rung hapo ngila sutu ya kata ba ni persang ban ya kata jing tom kam me ka LP henry kaba penlengok kalong nakaliang usiam ru intervene balakran wei labiang nakaliang Home Minister ru intervene balakran wei labiang la sutu henry ka LP kamkut ka jing kran jong wei kum binong kelam sambalang midon sibun ki poin bani peni ya ka ba uniu Home Minister simla ailat yang bani keren te lasuang kata fidan ki isu fila bani keren te ngilah ya keren ru ya ka border isu nilai keren ru ki schedule but kabami no sinto jong Chief Minister ni kalong ba the Home Minister will examine this matter henry ka ba khala ba kalong nakaliang Home Minister si kentien ru kami ayu le alor kini isu ki bani le keren kemudian kani kejingwan tu memecah kani kenti ke pemerintah wal hadin bola penap ingi katu kani benai kejingwan tu ko bakado kalong lenoi ngisno ba kalong lenoi but kam simpoi kan ke discussion ke ba kabantai ya kalawai jong jala kum kisang balang mindang habi kendo min ya song ada meeting min saya rai lang pan ki gilat kenti begin sim nama ngila fitu balada kadang jing pam skor sa manta te kamot nyimban se ban ya cekmat ki pat kam tiba ngin saya rai lang kum kisang balang berwe
Masing balang pinuan biang nama pihak ni kerja isu satu gondon em bahkan etri lang no kerja istri
kata ngin song meeting ngin song ya kran meeting
from that moment if you can
He did not give any assurance, he doesn't give any commitment, and in fact, he doesn't even say a word. He doesn't even tell us why there is a delay. He does not even explain to us the stand of the Indian government on this issue. So, this is not acceptable. We are very disappointed. This has led the moral of the indigenous people into the state down once again. And actually, we expect better
even after waiting for almost 2 years. Actually, we expect better than this, but nevertheless, such a thing did not happen. And as Pak Alam said, that we are not happy. This is a big insult to the indigenous people of the state as a whole, and we can't allow that this kind of situation happening again and again in our own state.